I'm here with my notes on determinants. What is a determinant? Before I give you the definition, first of all, I have written here a matrix A. Its order is 2 by 3. And the matrix is having the brackets and it is rectangular in shape. Take matrix, it starts with M as mother. Determinant, D stands for daughter. Here is the daughter. Here is the determinant of A. But for finding the determinant, the matrix has to be a square one. So I have taken the example of a square matrix. So determinant of A written as like this or within the bars A. And the matrix within the bars is matrix. This is 2, 3, 5, 6. It is 2 by 2. It is a square. Determinant is always a square. And there are bars here. In the case of matrix, there are brackets. And in the case of determinants, there are bars. So how to find its value? Now let us find the value of the determinant A. We have to simply cross multiply 2 into 6 and 5 into 3. 2 into 6 is 12. 5 into 3 is 15. So 12 minus 15. When the arrow is up, it should be minus. When the arrow is down, it should be plus. Look here, this arrow is down. 2 6 is 12. It is of plus sign. And 5 3 is 15. It is of minus sign. So answer will be 12 minus 15, that is minus 3 is the answer. So determinant is basically a number. Look here, answer is minus 3. It is a number attached to the matrix. डॉटर बगैर मदर के पैदा नहीं हो सकती है. डिटर्मिनेंट बगैर मैट्रिक्स के बगैर पैदा नहीं हो सकता. So for the determinant to be there, matrix has to be there, but it has to be a square matrix. So it is a number. It is attached to the matrix. It is a number. Determinant is a number. It is attached to the matrix. Now we shall be coming up with properties of the determinants, and with the help of mnemonics, I shall be teaching you all the properties. So here is the mnemonic. वापसी फैक्टर. वापसी से मिलता जुलता नाम है वापसी. It's a Rapsi factor. R stands for reflexive property. A stands for all zeros. P stands for proportional. S stands for sum. Next S stands for scalar multiplication. Next S stands for switching. I stands for invariance. And factor theorem is also used for finding the value of the determinant. So we shall be discussing these properties one by one. Now, property number 1, reflexive. Now I have taken an example. Determinant of A is 2, 3, 4, 5. So its answer is 10 minus 12, that is minus 2. इसका ट्रांसपोज ले लीजिए. 2, 3 is row, it will become column. 4, 5 is row, it will become column. Find the value of this. It is again 10 minus 12, minus 2. It is the same. So reflection, हमें reflexive property means it is a reflection. A reflection is same. So It is also minus 2, it is also minus 2. So when we change rows into columns and column into rows, that is when we take the determinant of the transpose, the value of the determinant remains the same. Number 2, A stands for all zeros. Second property. If there are all zeros in any row or column, the value of determinant becomes 0. Property number 3, proportion. When two rows or columns are in proportion, then the value of the determinant becomes 0. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6. These black rows, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, they are in the ratio of 1:2. Look here, 1/2. 2 over 4 is again 1/2. 3 over 6 is also 1/2. They are in proportion. So answer will be 0. Property number 4, sum property. When the elements of any row or column are in the shape of sum, then it can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. Now look here. Example is A plus B, C plus D, E plus F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have expressed this as the sum of two determinants. देखिए पहले आपको A लेना है. Firstly take A, 1, 4. First number is C, 2, 5. E, 3, 6. And the remaining one will be B1, 4. We will take it in the second determinant. D2, 5, and F3, 6. It is the second one. So, if the elements of any row or column are in the shape of sum, then it can be expressed as sum of the two determinants. This property is known as sum property. Now let us go to property number 5, scalar multiplication. If you multiply any determinant with a scalar quantity, so here this is the determinant 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 5, 4. I am multiplying both sides with 5. So it will be 5a, and when this 5 will be multiplied to this, it will multiply all the elements. So multiplication by scalar value also gets multiplied by the same scalar. So this also gets multiplied by the same scalar. Next property is switching property. Look here, I have given an example. This is the determinant A, B, C, L, M, N, P, Q, R. Now, if you take this P, Q, R, here, L, M, N comes down. P, Q, R is saying, lift करा दे. तो P, Q, R ऊपर चला गया. एक लाइन शिफ्ट हुई है, एक बार माइनस लगा दो. फिर दोबारा से कह रहा है लिफ्ट करा दे. PQR has come here and 2 minus means plus. It will become plus. So this is the property number 6, switching property. Then invariance property. I stands for invariance. So the invariance property, you can add any row with any row or any times of any row, the value of the determinant remains the same. Now look here. The example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you add in row 1 double of row 2. So इसका डबल 8 ऐड कर दीजिए, इसका डबल 10 ऐड कर दीजिए फर्स्ट रो में, इसका डबल 12 ऐड कर दीजिए. It becomes 9, 12, 15. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you solve this, you will get the same answer. Then factor theorem is also used, but it is not in the syllabus of CBSE. So these are the properties, and I have given you all the examples, and you have to remember that the mnemonic for all the properties is Rafsi factor. reflexive, all zeros, proportion, sum property, scalar multiplication, switching, invariance. So I hope you might have understood all these properties. When you will be doing questions, these properties will come to your rescue. Question हो जाएंगे चुटकियों में, and things will become very easy for you. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. I'm sure you will learn with fun. Thank you.